This is next problem for basic models. Integral x power 3 by 2 plus 2 e for x minus 1 by x dx. Find out the integration value. As usual, we can take this as given function as I. I is equal to integral x power 3 by 2 plus 2 e for x minus 1 by x dx. This is equal to what? Integral x power 3 by 2 plus 2 e for x minus 1 by x. I can split into individual parts. Integral x power 3 by 2 dx. I am applying individually integration to each part. Taking constant outside of the integration 2 e for x dx minus integral 1 by x dx. This is equal to what? Integral x power 3 by 2. This looks like integral x power n dx. Integral x power n dx equal to what? Integral x power n dx equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That's it. So x power n plus 1 means x power n is 3 by 2. X power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 integral e for x equal to what? E for x minus integral 1 by x log mod x plus c. Since integral x power n dx equal to what? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Provided n not equal to minus 1. N not equal to minus 1. Here n not equal to minus 1. This is equal to what? X power 3 by 2 plus 1 means x power 3 plus 2, 5 by x power 5 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus 1, 5 by 2 minus 2 e for x minus log mod x plus c. Okay, this is equal to what? Another simplification. This is equal to x power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 means 2 by 5 you can write 2 by 5. 2 by 5 x power 5 by 2 minus 2 e for x minus log mod x plus c. Okay. This is the problem. Solution. Just basic problem. But everything I am explaining in detail. Okay. Next. See this. Next problem. Integral sin cube x plus cos cube x by sin square x into cos square x dx equal to what? So immediately I will take given function as I equal to, let I equal to integral sin cube x plus cos cube x by sin square x into cos square x dx. I will divide this function in numerator a plus b. Two functions are given with plus adding addition. So immediately I can split into two functions. This one integral sin cube x by sin square x cos square x plus integral, this is dx. Everywhere we should put dx also. Integral cos cube x by sin square x cos square x dx. This is equal to what? Integral sin cube x sin square x. Sin square get cancelled, only sin x. Integral sin x divided by cos square x dx is there. Plus cos cube x cos square x. Only cos term will left. Cos x by sin square x dx. I can write this as, again I will split into for our convenience, integral sin x by for simplification purpose, sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x, I can write like this, cos square x, I can write cos x into cos x. And again, integral cos x by sin square x, I can write into sin x into sin x, 1 by sin x dx. This is equal to what? Integral sin x by cos x equal to what? Tan x. Integral tan x, 1 by cos x is what? Secant x dx. Plus integral cos x by sin x is what? Cot x into 1 by sin x cosecant x dx. This is equal to what? Integral tan x into secant x equal to what? Secant x. Basic formula plus integral cot x into cosecant x is what? Minus cosecant x plus c. Again, this problem simplified into x secant x minus cosecant x plus c. This is the result. Okay. Just we divided the function, plus symbol is given in numerator, we just divided the function into two parts and simplified it. As per our trigonometric ratios convenience, we arranged the trigonometric ratios into order. Sin x by cos x, so tan x, cos x by sin x, so cot x. So we are arranging, we arrange cos square x and sin square x into the proper order. Just simplification. Another problem, integral 2 4x plus 3 4x whole square. Again, it is function is a 4x, 2 4x means 2 is what? A constant, 2 4x or a 4x given. So let us say I equal to integral 2 4x plus 3 4x whole square dx. This equal to what? A plus b whole square format. A plus b whole square equal to what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. I can apply a plus b whole square format. So integral 2 4x whole square plus 3 4x whole square plus 2 into 2 4x into 3 4x dx. Okay? This is just a plus b whole square. I arranged it. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So immediately what will I get? Integral I can split into individual functions. Here plus symbols are there. So immediately I can simplify this into individual functions. Integral 2 4x whole square dx plus integral 3 4x whole square dx plus 2 into integral 6 power x dx. Here in powers x same is there, so you can multiply 2 4x. A 4x into b 4x equal to a into b whole power x. This is what we are applying. Algebraic formula only. So 2 4x into 3 4x is 2 into 3 whole 4x 6x. Here integral a 4x whole power n is what? A 4x whole power n. We can write a 4n whole 4x. A 4x. Here you can write a 4x whole power n equal to a 4n whole 4x. We can write this formula also. A for m for n or a for m for n, or you can write a power m power n equal to a power n whole power m. Whatever it may be, the value is same. Okay. Put it like this. This is your 3 class onwards we learn formula like this only. So it is the integral a for m whole for n equal to a for n whole for m. Because here numbers are there, we can exchange this number and variable x square. So immediately integral 2 square, if I apply this formula, 2 square whole for x dx plus integral 3 square whole for x dx plus 2 into integral 6 for x dx. Why I need to arrange this like this? Because it is powers in a for x whole square, powers there, powers are there. So immediately we can take this into, we can exchange this variable and number, thereby we will get complete a value, total a value. So immediately what is the value? 2 square is what? 4. This is for simplification purpose only. So integral 4 square, 2 square means 4 power x dx plus integral 3 square means what? 9 power x dx plus 2 times integral 6 power x dx. This is equal to what? Integral 4 power x dx. Integral a for x dx equal to what? A for x by log a. Immediately, so 4 power x by log 4 plus integral 9 for x, so 9 for x by log 9 plus 2 times integral 6 for x means 6 for x by log 6 plus constant c. Always keep constant c at the end of the result. This is the constant of integration. This is the final solution. Very simple, but just we need to apply this formula. A for m whole for n equal to a for n whole for m. A for m whole for n equal to a for n whole for m. We are changing powers, variables and constants because for simplification purpose only. Okay. Only they are given a for x, b for x whole square format, a square plus. Here also, if you want, you can write this formula since a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Some students might get confusion. That's what I am writing this one. Okay. Next. Let's check this. Okay, find out the integral e for 6 log x minus e for 5 log x by e for 4 log x minus e for 3 log x dx. Find out the value of this function. So let us take again, what is the procedure? Let us take I equal to given function integral e power 6 log x minus e power 5 log x by e power 4 log x minus e power 3 log x dx. These basic problems, all of these basic problems, we can apply algebraic properties or logarithmic properties only. Here, e for 6 log x, e for 5 log x. Immediately, what is the result? What kind of formula I know? from logarithmic functions, b log a equal to, we can write log a power b. Since b log a equal to log a whole power b can b, we can write 6 is a b. Here log x a. Here and another formula is e power log x to the base e equal to x. If you know these basic formulas, we can solve this problem very easily. We know, just write down the formulas, and I equal to, what is the integral log x b log x, b log a, that means x power 6 minus log of, this is what, e power log x power 5. If there is no mentioning of any base in the logarithmic function, we can simply put e. E is the basic. If they mention, that is different story. Okay? Integral e power log x power 4 to the base e minus e power log x cube to the base e. Okay? This is equal to, we can write simply, this is equal to what? I equal to integral e for log x over for 6. E for log x to the base e equal to what? X. So x power 6 minus x power 5 by, this is what? X power 4 minus e for log x cube to the base e means what? X cube dx. By seeing this, in numerator largest power is x power 6, in denominator smallest power is x cube. So up to x cube they get cancelled. So we can take in numerator x cube and denominator also x cube is common. I equal to integral x cube. X cube means x cube minus x square by x cube. I can take common x cube, x minus 1. This is dx. Okay. So immediately what will I get? I equal to x cube and x cube. Both numerator and denominator x cube get cancelled. I equal to integral x cube minus x square. Again I can take x common. So x, if I take a common, x into x square minus, if I take x square as common in numerator x square, so immediately what will be the result? X square, if I take a common, x cube minus x square, that means x minus 1 dx by, in denominator what we got? X minus 1 result. So in numerator and denominator x minus 1 is common, so immediately it will cancel. I equal to what? Integral x square dx. Integral x square dx equal what? X power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Because integral x power and dx equal what? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Immediately you can write directly. I am just everything I am explaining, but you need not write integral x square dx equal x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. You can write directly x cube by 3 plus c. This is the result. Okay. Okay, please check this. I applied only b log a equal to log a for b, and e for log x to the base e equal to x. Why? E for log x to the base e, in the function they are not given. There is no base is given. If there is no base, you can write immediately base is, assume it as e. Base, if in logarithmic function, if there is no mentioning of base, we can assume it as e. Okay. Otherwise, it may be some constant values, log m to the base, log m n to the base n here, log 2 like log 2 and log 3 like 2 base 2. So this is different story. But here there is no mentioning of base. We can take logarithmic log base is e. Okay. dx by root of 8x plus 3 plus root of 8x plus 1. Find out the value of integration. Integral. Again, the function is given integral dx by root 8x plus 3 plus root 8x plus 1. Here also we can write a rationalizing method, because in denominator plus symbol is there. Immediately simplification is possible with by rationalizing method. So let us take I equal to the given function I equal to integral dx by root 8x plus 3 plus root 8x plus 1 dx. This equal to, by rationalizing denominator, you can write this step. By rationalizing, this line is important. By rationalizing denominator, for both it is must, you should write this one. By rationalizing denominator, I equal to root over 1 by root 8x plus 3 plus root 8x plus 1 into rationalizing factor. Here plus, so immediately you can write minus. In root 8x plus 3 minus root 8x minus 1 by root 8x plus 3 minus root 8x minus 1. Here, by taking rationalizing factor, we are multiplying both numerator and denominator with same value. That means the function will not change. They will get cancelled. Numerator and denominator get cancelled and same function will come. That's what we are rationalizing the same value bit. We are using the rationalizing method. By rationalizing factor, we are taking and multiplying with both numerator and denominator, so that the fraction value cannot change. Okay. So immediately what will I get? I equal to integral root 8x plus 3 integral root 8x plus 3 minus root 8x plus 1. Here minus only. Here we don't take any symbol changes. Here a plus b into a minus b. Immediately we will get a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So a square minus b square and root get cancelled. So 8x plus 3 minus, or if you want to write like this, you can write a square minus b square or root 8x plus 1 whole square. Okay. So this is equal to what? I equal to